Here's a simple step-by-step guide to create an Amazon business account. Open your browser and go to business.amazon.com. This is Amazon's official business portal, separate from the regular Amazon shopping site. Click the Create a Free Account button. If you already have a personal Amazon login, you can use it to upgrade, or you can create a brand new business account. Now, enter the email you want to use for your business. Ideally, use your business email domain instead of a personal email for faster verification. Next, Amazon will ask for your business details: business name, business address, phone number, company type, tax details. It's optional during setup. Fill everything out accurately. Amazon uses this information to verify that your business is legitimate. Amazon will send a verification code to the email you entered. Open that email, copy the code, and paste it into the verification box. Amazon may ask for additional verification depending on your business: business license, EIN documentation, address confirmation, phone verification. Just follow the prompts. Most accounts get approved within minutes, but some may take up to 24 hours. Once approved, you can start using Amazon business features like multi-user accounts, purchase limits, tax-exempt purchasing, business pricing and discounts, approval workflows, spend analytics. And that's how you create your Amazon business account. If this helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe.